Extensions will really kick your browsing experience up a notch. Extensions are small software programs that give your browser some extra functionality that was not there before. There are thousands of extensions that you can choose from. It's important that you know how to recognize which ones are useful and which ones will help you to work better and faster in Google Chrome. Let's have a look at this in more detail. Start by searching for the Chrome Web Store in your Chrome Omnibox. On Google's search results page, you will find the site, the Chrome Web Store. Click on it to open it up. I recommend you add this to your bookmarks bar so that you can find it again quickly when you need it. Let's start by navigating around the space. The extensions that you are able to add are often controlled by your Admin Console administrator. If you are unable to add an extension, you may need to get approval for it. On the left-hand side is where you can look for extensions based on different themes, ones that work with Line, are developed by Google, or have a specific star rating. Let's start by searching for the extension Google Translate in the search bar that appears at the top of the section. The first thing that is going to happen is search results will appear with any extensions that might be related to the name that you have searched for. From this page, have a look at the extension name and then who it is offered by. Notice this is the one that is offered by Google. It's extremely important that you vet the extensions that you want to add to Chrome. Let's walk through the steps on how to do this. Start by looking at the star rating. How many stars has it been given? The number here indicates how many users have rated this extension. Next, you will see which category it has been added to and how many users are currently using it. Below this, you will have a window where you will see a short overview of what this extension does with some images and more. Another important field to look at is when it was last updated. This is important as you don't want to be using extensions that haven't been updated for years. This probably means it isn't supported very well and may end up causing unnecessary issues. As we scroll back up, the next tab over is the reviews. Here you can see what people have been saying about the extension to give you an idea of what the user's experience is like. If you are looking for other related extensions, you can find these here too. Once you have done all the checks and you are happy that this is the right extension for your needs, choose to add to Chrome. A little pop-up will appear asking if you would like to add the extension. Continue with adding the extension. You will notice in the top right-hand corner of your browser, the Google Translate extension has now been added. If it does not appear there automatically, see the little puzzle piece? This allows you to manage which extensions are visible in this area, as well as some additional options. When you click on that icon, you will notice Google Translate appears there too. If you choose to pin it, it will appear in the extension preview area in your browser window. Any extension that you add has its own unique purpose for existing. For example, if I wanted to use the Google Translate extension that I have just added, I'll start by going to a page that I would like to translate. When I am ready, I'll click on the extension and a little pop-up will appear. Here, you can do a quick translation or alternatively choose to translate the entire page. When you have done this, an extra bar will appear below your bookmarks bar. You will see a little Samusa drop-down arrow where you have access to all the languages that Google currently offers whole page translations for. Select the language you would like the page to be translated to, and voila! Your page has been translated. It's as easy as that. These are direct translations, so not 100% grammatically correct, but what this does do is it makes websites more accessible in multiple languages. Here are Tobor's favorite extensions: Save to Google Drive, Office Editing for Docs, Sheets and Slides, Google Keep, OneTab, Screencastify, and iDropper. I hope you now have an understanding of what extensions will do for you when working in Google Chrome. There are always new extensions being written and improvements on existing extensions being made. Be sure to keep connected with others around you and to share the extensions that you have found to improve your browsing experience.